Feast your eyes on the Scudo Belini closed-back rimless toilet and soft close seat, the model of modern elegance for your bathroom. Its sleek and contemporary design features a smooth shape that effortlessly blends into any decor. Finished in a glossy white, it exudes cleanliness and sophistication. But it's not just about looks. This rimless toilet ensures easy cleaning and efficient flushing, leaving no hidden spots for dirt or bacteria to hide. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to a more hygienic bathroom. Not only is this toilet practical, but it's also eco-friendly. With its dual flush system, you can choose between a full or half flush, saving water without compromising on performance and taking the weight off your bills. Cleaning is a breeze with a quick-release seat, allowing for easy removal and reattachment. Maintenance has never been easier. Upgrade your bathroom with a Scudo Belini closed-back rimless toilet and soft close seat, where style meets functionality for the ultimate toilet experience. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo bathroom suites range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.